Hi, so I had a problem with linear bearings. Fixing them in place and unfixing them damages the construction inside, and ordering them online is not really convenient as you have to wait like 3000 years until you receive the package. So I thought that maybe there is something online that I can use for this matter, but all I found was this. And since it's not really what I needed, I decided to try to make a linear bearing myself. So I got into Fusion 360 and I ended up having something like this. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm willing to try it. And I did some testing before on my Bamboo Lab P1S with a 0.4mm nozzle, and I'm not sure if you can see it. The result, it's not overwhelming, but it's not bad at all. But I have a 0.2mm nozzle, so I'm willing to give it a shot. Let's do it. And that's the result. Not sure if it worked or it did not, because I see some problems here, but I believe this is nothing that a wannabe engineer can get his head around. Let me try to assemble it and quickly test it. Well, it did not work at all actually. The balls are not formed correctly, and when I insert the rod inside, they don't move. But the good part is that it actually doesn't have too much friction inside. So if you can see, I printed this test rod and I cured it with a bit of acetone so it can be smoother. So I believe if I manage to smooth out the balls, this might actually help. And yeah, I will actually try to do so. So more trials to come. Thank you.